Boy, you can tell that wind, boy. Boy, she climbs in that wind, though. Here she comes. Watch, I can pick it. Wow, see it way out there? It's so cool. Look how pretty that is. Wow, that's so nice. She's got no problem clearing that whole field, too. You gotta fly like inverted when it's coming at me. All the controls, I'm talking aileron, roll. You gotta compensate for wind. Like, look, I can make it to the other side of the field in like 2 seconds, where I'm fighting the wind the whole time coming back. Like if I cut up, watch when I cut up, coming back this way, watch when I hit up. Whoa! I'm climbing mad fast. Then I lose lifts going back that way. Oh, that's so cool, dude. Oh, that was a close one. Alright, bringing her down for a nice spiral landing. Another pass. Oh, that was fucking textbook, bro. Tell me that wasn't beautiful.